back to Action News 5 now at 3:30. Meteorologist Maggie McCauley here, and we're almost a week out of Thanksgiving. We're 8 days away, and it's about that time where I get a lot of messages asking what's going to be happening on Thanksgiving, and you guys start wondering what to plan for. So I thought let's just take a deep dive in. Let's talk about what's going to be happening for Thanksgiving, but also the days leading up to Thanksgiving if you do have any plans. So this is your first alert to a soggy next week. Now, not necessarily on Thanksgiving, but in the days leading up to Thanksgiving, we're going to be seeing a system pushing through, which could disrupt your travel plans if you plan on going out of the Mid-South, especially at the start of the week. And the severe risk, very low, but we could still see some heavier pockets of rainfall in the mix. So let's start off with the Mid-South. If you plan on sticking around, we're going to be getting some nice rainfall as we head Sunday through Tuesday of our next work week, which is really nice because the rainfall is needed here in the Mid-South. But let's talk about which days we're going to be seeing rain here. So this could start as early as Sunday evening. The system starting to inch closer to the Mid-South. The main day we're looking at rainfall right now is falling on your Monday. So if you're one of those that still has to go to work on Monday morning, your Monday morning commute looking soggy at this time. We're looking at our main day of rain being on Monday, and then we could still see a few sprinkles early in the day on Tuesday, but really the rain backing off through the day on Tuesday. So that's the Mid-South. That's what we're looking at, main day of rain being on Monday. If you do have any plans, the good news is Thursday, Wednesday, really looking dry out of our next work week. But let's talk about this system in a broader scale, because I know not everybody sticks around the Mid-South for your holiday plans. We have people and family all over the country. So let's start on Sunday. The morning into the evening on Sunday, that system's really going to ramp up through the central portion of the United States. Into Monday morning, it's about your worst day to travel if you're headed out of the Mid-South. That's when we're really going to start seeing the heavier pockets of rain from Missouri even down into the Gulf Coast. And then it'll start to make its way out as we head into Monday evening. But again, still seeing rain here as we shift into Tuesday morning. We'll see that rainfall really head off into east of the Mid-South. I'm talking Illinois, Ohio, Kentucky, even down into portions of Atlanta. So if you are traveling out of the Mid-South into portions of Georgia, just know you're still going to be running into that rain on Tuesday. And then we really start to see that shift out of the United States as we head into Wednesday morning, which is good news. Look at the Mid-South, seeing dry conditions Wednesday, even through your Thursday. So if you plan on traveling, that's your look at that system pushing through the United States. Let's talk about temperatures though, because everybody wants to know, is it going to be cooler on Thanksgiving? My answer is yes. We're looking 8 to 14 days out, so this is looking at the end of next week. We're looking at below average conditions here in the Mid-South. So what does that mean for us? Well, I think we'll see high temperatures around the 50s, dry and pretty chilly. So honestly, going to be a nice Thanksgiving shaping up if you're sticking in the Mid-South. But again, this is around 7-8 days away, talking about Thanksgiving. So I do have a weather headline open if you want to go ahead and check it out. We're going to be updating it day to day, latest models. Make sure to check it out. Again, we'll be back with more news and weather coming up at 4.